Ito yung aming solar heat tester to replicate yung solar heat coming from the sun, as well as to see ano po yung reading na nababasa using the power meter to test the heat coming from this machine. Alright, so for now, we will test yung no tint. So basically, wala tayong tint here. It's just plain glass. Ayan po siya, plain glass siya. And then, when we turn on the heat, okay, ramdam po namin yung init at ang silaw. So, lumalabas so almost 340. Ito po yung reading natin, no? Around 350, tumataas pa siya. So, around 330 to 350, okay? I-off po natin siya. If you notice, heat natin naging 0 kasi wala na tayong pinanggagalingan ng heat. Now, ito naman po yung may naka-install tayo na AC05. AC means advanced cool. That's a tint that reduces around 78%, up to 70% heat. So, if you notice, ang reading na lang natin is around 43.6. And you notice yung ano natin na-reduce is 79 or 78%. Okay? Now, we'll turn that off. We'll show you yung aming high-end, which is the SEIR Pro. If you notice, sir, ang heat reduction natin is significantly bumaba, tumataas pa siya. So, around 92.2% yung heat. Yung difference niya kanina, of course, kanina is around 98% kasi ito po, tutok talaga. 1 inch lang. Now, pag medyo nilayo natin siya, ayan, aabot na ho tayo ulit ng almost 97.98%. 97.596 yan. Almost 98%. So again, it depends on the distance. But pinakita lang ho namin na kahit malapit, significantly po nagre-reduce ang heat niya. So kahit na malapit, one ano lang to, nag-reduce na yung heat niya to up to 95%. So that's the science behind the tint. And also, manonotice nyo, hindi siya nakakasilaw, walang glare, and wala pong init na nararamdaman. So that's how good having a tint installed on your windows. Thank you.